Hello, so today's video, we're going to be unboxing this HP Instant Ink paper subscription. I got this for a free trial, so this is my first month to try this. So I have been using HP Ink for a couple years now, and it's very convenient and also a cheap way to get your papers printed. This is my printer. It's just a small printer, but I have recently upgraded my HP Ink subscription from like 50 pages to 500 pages because it's almost like back to school time, so I've been printing a lot. So they offered me a free trial for HP HP paper. So I just received this in mail. I'm kind of surprised. This is really heavy. So their subscription is actually like $5.99 a month for paper, and if you buy like a 500 piece paper at Walmart, you have to pay like around the same price. So there you go. So this is what it came with. Welcome to Instant Ink Plus paper. I'll never run out of paper. So this is what they usually send me. It's just a little small box. So let's look at the paper. Box came with another box. So this is the paper. Wow, that is really thick. That is a lot of paper. Okay guys, so I'm kind of surprised. They actually gave me 1,500 papers. So this one ream of paper is like 500 sheets, as you can see, and they gave me 3. That's my that must be how much I use for, like, I've been paying $18.99 for like 500 papers, and I don't know why they gave me so much paper, but yes, it's actually 3 reams of 500 papers. And I guess we could open it up to see the quality of the paper. So there's the paper. So the box looks like this. HP Instant Ink. So after you did the free trial, you can continue to subscribe to their paper, or you could cancel it, but I'm not really sure. I think this is a really good deal. For $5.99 you get like 3 reams of 500 sheets, so I think that's a really good deal. Okay, so I have opened the paper, and I'm just gonna take one piece and check the quality. So the quality is pretty decent. I would say it's like a medium quality paper. It's not very thick. It is pretty comparable to like the standard copy paper that you get from Walmart. Let me see. Let me compare it to what I have here in my printer. Okay, so this is the one that I bought from the store. I'm just going to compare if it's thicker or is it thinner. So let's see here. Well, I could barely tell the difference. I think this is a little bit thicker, the one I bought from the store. Let me see here. Brightness. So it says here in the packaging that it's 75G slash, so it's a 20-pound paper. Let me look at the in comparison to what I buy in the store. This is a 20-pound paper. Let's see. Okay, so the one I got from the store is this copy paper, which is Pen Gear, and it is actually the same weight. So it's 20 pounds, and this one is also 20 pounds. So they're the same. So maybe it's just me, but they're pretty similar. And the whiteness. So this is from the store, and this is the, let me see here. I think the HP paper is wider, and let me see here. It is also more translucent. As you can see, you could see the background here better than here. So this is a little, maybe this is a little bit thicker, but it looks thicker, and this is a little bit wider. I think that's my first observation, but they're pretty comparable, and I would suggest that you would try the subscription for HP. It's a really good deal to get a free 1-month trial. And that is all for today's video. I hope you like this video, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.